Abronye.
Misdemeanor person in this car. We are the new Is that criminal? Is he a criminal? One day, we see a criminal. More people in here. What is that misdemeanor? Is that a criminal? Misdemeanor case. Misdemeanor.
Let me say something.
Misdemeanor case.
Let me say something.
Is that how to behave? Is that how to behave? You see? This is the nonsense we are seeing in this country.
There is a clear
That's why we drop even a felony. Misdemeanor. That's why we drop.
We drop a clear by this government.
When did insult become a crime in this country? When did insult become
people in this country? That will never happen.
When did insult become a crime in this country? Yes. When? Somebody should tell us.
They want to guard
when did insult become a crime in this country? That you are treating somebody like this because of misdemeanor. What is all this?
Tactics no more use. Ibrahim Mahama, your president Mahama, we are cutting for 4 gold in your massage. So they are just trying to delay the whole tactics.
Inside the courtroom, they said they don't have the video. The reason why they are putting Abronye inside the the courtroom, the state prosecutor refused to say they have the video. They said they don't have the video. The reason why they are putting Abronye inside, but we are all in this country. One day, monkey go market, it won't come back home.
Look, it's just a good intention. Attention. President Niabema Ibrahim Mahama and Romusu Akoji Azuma resources for gold stars in your gold. Omu pese Ghana for but anytime the NDC government, he pese Omu bring Ghana for any so no makochi MPP. No more the I mean that is the need. And that is what they do all the time.
Every day I'm insulted in this country. Say did you attempt there? You go to court a civil case and a criminal case. Now you the Black Maria. Now you the tax. Yeah, the sika. I trap to work. Now the talk fango. And I say cast 3. Any member 10, any 2 akesiye say yen fa chairman and from for court. Total waste of national resources, everybody's time because of misdemeanor. I'm saying that these things is an affront to the democracy we are all building. It's an affront. And so by way and Jai Konya on the MPP for FANO. And I'm telling you today, we are going to demonstrate against the police. Me, the National Youth Organizer, I'm going to lead it. So police for MP that is their own case. But this thing has gotten to its zenith, its peak. The harassment of MPP for. Look at how chairman has been treated. This is a petty criminal. Now, there should be decency attached to it than what we are seeing. Because of MPP. Chairman Azoka, Ewa Abonti, or say IGP or Bebonasu, I know that he's working a free person. Get the petition. akɔ dying police IGP and the uncan hotwe because Azoka NDC into Oslo say obeko anywhere near Azoka but Abronye the MPP he's not important you bet me for quite bia yepe if that's the case that is fine we are going to demonstrate against the police Yama police for 48 hours remand. The chairman will appear here on Friday into Remanded to reappear on the 12th. So on the 12th, we are back here, and by the grace of God, meaning say, court to Nankase who say they have been mischievous. Because I listened to the judge, Michelle Judge Nedimina, me hear the arguments on both sides. Prosecution, any defendant, and the richness of argument. They don't have evidence. But so they want chairman to be remanded into police custody whilst they go fishing for evidence. But one must see a video, and the video is online. So go and take the video. That's all. Now this attempt say his fundamental human rights form. Now and also, what is that? What is that? When did Ghana drop this low? Airtime.
All right. Sister Abna,
yes, good afternoon, and at least as it stands, I'm a bit okay because I've been able to get to know the whereabouts of my client. I think you cannot see the stress on my face. For once, we are seeing that legal proceedings are being complied with, and then the legal processes are being complied with. The accused person, or the suspect, now accused person, was arraigned before the court, and it appears the prosecution would just want him to be remanded. For whatever reason, you gave us an invite. We have responded to the invite, and the charges leveled against my client in court were just misdemeanors. They were just misdemeanors. And in law, you would know that, there are categories of offenses. Misdemeanor is the basic one, and that shouldn't be the basis why an accused person should be remanded. But trust me, when it comes to the judiciary, I respect the judiciary so much, particularly this court. I have never had an issue in this court. Whatever my lord says is final. The law lies in the bosom of what? The judge. He has given a ruling that my client should be remanded into custody and brought back to court on the 12th of September. What do we have to do? We will just wait until the 12th of September and then return back to court. But I'm very positive that, the law will take its course. Particularly for this court, I am very, very much certain that the law will take its course. Yes.
Who treatments near
not at all. I don't know me church said. Ye bano ye kase bia obia ye bibi obia di boni bi obia akwa ye bibi nti a wose ye chinwa. Misdemeanor de eno na ye basic kura wo mu. Misdemeanor no eno eno ye basic offense. Ye ban say ye chire offenses mu a. And is a ban is obi misdemeanor charge. Now you the Black Maria, any police cars be 3, any day fana. Well, Abiana omo person momano protection binti no modene ba sadia mijaima Ghana for to be the judge in this case. But sir, acquire ya charge we or modema ya. I don't think sir it is enough to ground the treatment amodema my client, which is very, very unfortunate.
And so one argument I heard you making in the courtroom was the fact that prosecution said what wrote several letters seeking for asylum into your money bailer. It's likely say a client on standing. How true is this assertion?
That shall not lead me into temptation. Father Roma, court today. And those were legal arguments, of course, were court. And the honor dear, white kakra. The outcome of the day, they say, my lord, I say, my client, and call police custody. Now, omfa nemra efiada enti enyi ano amewo ama was a question no
council now ding na
me den de Daniel Matiado managing council in Chroma and Associates. Sure.
So that's the lawyer who just spoke with us concerned about what happened over here. You see, what about with the case we given to you on Daily Watch TV? Don't forget to subscribe to the live check with this Daily Watch TV. You see that that's the people, NPP people are having a conversation concerned about what is happening what happened over here and how they treated their client, that's Abronye, badly. So we are waiting for. We are waiting over here to get to know what about that will happen. We're giving to you on Daily Watch TV, the first special but see you guys in whatever intro. You heard me saying that I say Abronye is being what detained, he has been what so Abronye today, he has not been discharged. He's still inside. They've refused to grant him this. He is still here. For us, especially in the region.
No, when 96, 2000, we were talking. We survived up to now. Why now?
I say God bless our homeland Ghana and make us strong so that we'll be bold and defend. Oppression there met maybe a culture of silence. Yet he said, yes, a Japadia, say, era, yes, Miniadia. Spinters, a whole new choir, a whole new road, synagogue church, it me block Kwano at the car park. A whole choir, for new road, synagogue church. A war provision out to me blocking Kwano turning the other road into single lane. A whole choir, yeah, the taxpayer money, aye. Sano manu here. Sano manu here. Boko, Nkofo, there are places and Nkofo, Johnny says, Ghana, a month for a Côte d'Ivoire. Ghana, Pakistan, at the not Ghana and Nkofo come to Côte d'Ivoire. Those are the things I hear. You need men, a better protection. Hey, be careful how you carry yourself. This 4 years, TFD do crowd because only you be basa on becho say baby I want in here. So just be careful. That's all. You just have to be careful, asa. Uni adofu. Uni enemy is a state against people. But I am nyame de hwe nipa. And one is so dim rano so e best. Oh,
chairman's court proceedings. Only for, I don't know if he's from the Attorney General's office or whatever, telling me not to update the lawyer. And shouting on me. I mean, what is happening in this country? What is happening currently? You're all not safe in this country. What the rules of justice is penetrating towards other people. When it is NDC members, we know that they won't touch anybody. You have the likes of Ralph who went to Ridge Hospital to beat a whole nurse. He's working freely. Chairman Sofo Azoka threatened to kill the minority leader. He's working freely. Now you've reminded him on Friday that he should appear back on Friday. I am only updating the lawyer that they said that chairman should come back on Friday. You're telling me not to send message to the lawyer. How is that possible?
Are you able to tell us the offenses that he's been?
He's in there. The lawyer will come out and definitely will update the media. But what I'm trying to say is that the likes of Kevin Taylor and other people are working freely. They insulted the whole of Tumfu and other people. And then when it's Chairman Abronye, look at the car they came in with. Look at that black Maria that they came in with, Chairman Abronye. I mean, what is happening in this country? And that nobody can talk about it? Nobody can talk about it in this country. What is happening? What is happening? Very, very unfortunate.
They said, I will catch MPP Chitafo. You said, I will MPP Chitafo.
MPP Chitafo, Omuti Kwame, Amosha, Kwame MPP, and say, Yanka, Yesapo Musu, Yanka Yakuma. Yama Bonto, Yakuma Mudi. I'm saying Yankopon, and I'm repa, and a retor, a warning sem.
Okay, that's a doctor said that's MPP, my Janka Bisi, said Usika say.
Oh, Yanka, now say, so we could tap power, Charlie. And at last we can say, the power crown as if our man may power. Or the Kojo for man may power we are, but must have the power not Kojo man. The power there, and Yan Tokwa and Yagidi. Politics of Ghana sanity. The Mekan be and say, Yamaya Manomla from now. Bibia msempanyi force a mo MPP party Dr. Baomiam mpanyi form mo MPP party omusu nyae Abronye kwa se ono nkwa anya ase Abronye anya ono nkwa anya ase MPP party na anya ase sabi ebetima to me tani ne to Abronye obetena ase enya ye adwuma MPP adwuma enya sa wa adwuma ba esi na wo se eba tie mo nyame mpa na se nyankopon ebe ma omusi Friday a nyame ya aduma I'm couple of a shadow when oh, said ye, and you see Cono, and about me MPP party Nina. He said it will be Cano. It says our Cocasana, Ama, say, we beg Piri Abronye and Ripper, you MPP party Nina, Asamatue, the Damasi, TBB and Yafa, as a Damana, Nina Chini. They say, Papa Mu Bonimu. Namena ne yada no nam say enu Friday a ye beti asempa me of Abronye be kofi o Yesu Kristo di kwame MPP ni na so Dr. Mahmoud Baumia an ye so me MPP party na ti pia
Munia Abronye ednaba na asembe na obeka kire ahwefo na tiefo nyina na MPP
to be honest speaking today there my very disappointing my disappointing in our Ghana democracy so what I say because someone who can that car black mamba is only highly robust criminal who convicted in jail by the judicial or a lawyer. Abronye is not convicted in any crime. We didn't got two black mamba who try say were a criminal. So what I said, but I was in the courtroom when the judge asked the state prosecutor, say, a DNT Namodi Abronye a bar court. The judge asked the states edgy to me say, Abronye Akasa Atia, the IGP. And the Abronye lawyer asked them they should provide the tape or the evidence they have. State prosecutor say, "Omuni that recording Abronye matching about court no." The judge should give them up to 2 weeks. They pleaded 2 weeks. But the judge say, "No, I cannot guarantee 2 weeks." Some will say, "Adeno enunti na modena baha." Nka munfanchre the lawyer say o person otie. Mo say munibi. But the power lie the bosom of the judge. So the judge grant them 2 weeks, provided that evidence to the court. So what I say. But democracy no. Saosi ube baba ye reset or maya. Eni kwan say ube yimubi. because Ghana for after election we are Omani president, we are NDC for president. So what I say, we are Omani president, we are Yimu. Nkofo can sembebre the chance, but which is me, which is not good. Say nipa deseni ube didi penyinatem, but eno na abaye Ghana ye nom. Both MPP and NDC ye kasetia. Which is fact. I cannot look in your cameras and lie. But say Abronye aka, say IGP say no. And no and lie say udine beba court. Ubet match no amana bail. So what I say, I can say we ye penyini udi e domanim e chinaman kwakasa. But ube ye selective justice. Uchi Abronye no dinaba. But NDC ni kan dey a wonchi no and enye reset no ye. And I don't see any democracy. Intina World Peace Index after NDC 9 months, which is fact, you can Google and check. Ghana ye drop here because of how violent it's on my way. World Peace Index, Ghana ye drop it. International Africa ye also drop it. Because of my ye peace no any obium. Ebane saying na reset government I was say me baba ye reset na me my ma omo ho atom say Ghana from Aflau to Boku is conflict, from Greater Accra to Ashanti region is conflict. Any tribal conflict there a kingdom conflict or a Hindi Ebane saying nti me no efutu a mediba ma NDC for ne say Ghana for anya you say we o man penyini who be di o man so you need to be fair because they say unya NDC government you are president of Republic of Ghana nti mesremo the AC or court na Abronye de no antwe yie say ye betima chi Abronye akwahye black mamba which is not a criminal court didn't grant him say or dibone bia o didn't question this black mamba which is not fair nti medamo say na interview I granted. Thank you very much.
Batum sano mamen emfa enima say yenua kwambafo Abronye bono be of MPP me no ka say ene onu anga say to dan pampampa e de ko police ID according to invitation mo de man ya wada no okoye omache no as about 4 o'clock no na ye nim baby kura wo omo ka so mo de ni efisi de de na ko NIB ye hu so mo na track and pick up videos wo holomo but ye ko NIB so mo so ni holomo I think say the same playbook na mo ana omo just say versus na go play by na ye hwe but enyi hu obi akla command to them he will come back there akoso no me say me ka say o kasa memem kasa kokudrumu na emumu no enidiate me die no me very hard hitting and I expect to be asana because have your confidence so far as be our evidence be to back you know kasa kokudrum memma so but enidiate e make allegations etia wo bia ebia ye frewa wuntimi substantiate mempe asema obeka so a ebe create fear and panic also e system because who try to be so no ye dem si try to be so am meninye. I'm not saying that's what Abronye did, but utie dia Abronye video na me take akra I'm told say Abronye ko ho ne no omubu video bi kire no I'm hoping say be no na me meet no metimi aka me hypocrite metimi aka say kwame free asem we wonya no mu ba me so be sa de ni bi say kwame free mu ba nyame adom akina like say nyame adom akina me hu chema Abronye meka je say kwame wedie aha no ko too far yes ye we need to wo say aha the next time no see because asem one na Abronye can he was right I say ye nyina yakwa akwatia yakwa kwaba IGP so the nipa 5,500 and ekwa akwatia krokitu awin ye nyina yakwa na NDC 40 bejoka say minority leader of Ghana's parliament. See about true hanky. I'm yakwe by election hall. Na yanche no. And you think we will not hold the IGP responsible? We have to hold him responsible. We have to hold the president responsible for that reckless statement by the NDC vice chairman. We have to. We have to. And we continue to hold the IGP responsible. Say, Omoko as spectators, and now Omoko as peacekeepers, and law enforcement agents. Because what happened over there, and yeah, so far as what can go. And not just friends that have to say, one also can the same thing. Some put the Kanipa Miensa, or some about how much Nipa Miensa, or more minority leader, or more chief whip. I want about not on member of Parliament for Sawam, and then Nanabu Achid and the MPP national organizer. Na come back 2 or more dear and then cemetery. Share. I hope Samimity studio keke krempo mi studio na me kasa asem say ya na ke kotu na kase na kase madura e ka me mpie na yacheme. That is what Abronye was talking about. And I must confess and say it publicly, say he went overboard. But you not necessarily before. Because over promise here, say look, Masawood, MPP second, third vice chairman, or granting interview, live television, capacity so now so for Azoka Baho. Ese wale ni po diagro na MPP na dwele se wale so for Azoka diagro. Hey kikre na wa hodu no what the section chuma tunehwene. Na police for gina ho. Police ni ba ko po eta so na so for Azoka bodyguard no abepim no. Se videos ni na wo. Na se sabi producer woni wonko gramufuo mu da ana se woni pepefuo ensanya se de ebu a masa wudi ma so fo Azoka no anhwa wunhu nte ase sa no motie they respect the elderly, they respect me free tamalene ben, so I know what I'm talking about. Me tamalene ba lo ben, so I know what I'm talking about. Sa no motie eti ono Masawood no say ni nua panyin ene so for Azoka nti wo fa na grosso. But I can tell you a different person be akoba punch so for Azoka. Oh, but also he didn't take it lightly. What attacking no police for gina o manche no ya no ho asem na Abronye ka ene wakonya asem no eti me the meka Abronye went overboard. But ya do krampo no bebre se mebro keka ye no wala asem ne be kokko to nti me mpese me ye but mesre wunya opportunity say microphone si wanim ukuta pen ukuta wo phone na wo type bibia yen hwe ne hwe ni yen tro ni ye ni yen kasem ni ye ba mesa sre abampanifo some so no mamunya hypocritical mamunya selective in administering justice, a man when you're selective in keeping peace. Say, yeah, cheap, where are you born here? Yeah, cheap, left and right. Yeah, cheap, left and right. And that was it mean. Yako Kumasi, Akofa and Mam, you know, Kumasi, young ladies, and a doma back, 2 weeks, I want them 2 weeks. I fed them on mobile. Achenkwa ko kan bibi achenkwa na majoso yakwachi no Rambo styling na ba kra so baba ko kwase de no ye what the fia ho mache mako bu ne wo da yi the kitchen edna ba enwa no pa mo de mo police for mu musa mo say enwa jam ye is a professional say mo issue bench warrant mo issue arrest warrant too. Some of Abronye. Mo fa krata nkoma MPP mpedifo say ye hwehwe Abronye mo fa ne mra. Na obi asese ponya MPP officer. Moses Abo is no longer or doesn't hold any position. Na ni na edin no party na sem. Na wo fia na security for akofie sa akromfo. Makofie sa akromfo ko huri gate ahuri wall na mo twemoko eni ho muram na ba ko podu wa tire wall ho no wa sa tia hwo ntimpo mfro wo eni mgu asesem It's so shameful. Now, who we are living dangerously. Because muda monsha outfit na bode ko ede police for yan ya de sika mamo. Yan ya ye mu training, ya se matade, ya mamu tuo, ya mamu cast, ya mamu che, esempa boa say, mo fa mo yan ya ho ban. And no citizen will prevent police officer say wo yi adwuma. But do it well. Fam na kwase faye. And a parameka it is a more pa Abronye ache no. Abronye aka asem bi na mo hwe na mu nya no a. And then let's stop some friend MPP General Secretary. National Chairman say, National Chairman. Abronye a regional chairman. Waka se bi ehwehwe nti. Nyame adoma and now you 8 p.m. baby will be a monfa nembra. Opa metima kanisa and they will produce him. But we don't do that. BB say what they say state authority or state power and nobody can withstand the state power and they won't me. But when fanya kwan bi so a be confidence abana for nipa. I'm telling you 20% wrong. Because obi abeta kwashata the tuntu bia oba say when national security ni wo ye bia na we na bi ni and ye say ma mechi wombra eso be hwede bia kopwa na ba kwara ba be kidnap ya no na wo kan say bench warrant any arrest warrant ni search warrant no e da so ho mutima yusu me to ka say e da na me kan me OSP ache me 5 minutes da meeting so ai ma point up me ba ma pon me ko baabi na me hon ma na o frɛ me administration mo frɛ me say empedifo bi aba o fi OSP na so mo se no so ko mo so no bedi nkomo ase de da say this am so kan mo jomo number no se am say mo fa number na ma me ana me am frɛ OSP nipa na o ba ana mbusa no so say na so sa de ne meba ho me Bob so far as my bam a state institution yeah Miss cabinet edition there esa me mam the reference esa me the mamon te me to me kan me call ye whatever happened ye we almost match me sama me nwane maba Abronye so nwane ene me what dey for bi group akotan ba bi group the ICA ni say Ghana for 15,000 person ma chrome omodwane afiri ho akotena Ivory Coast. And then we take mabo and then nipa for awu I will baby omo did that no because 10 podi ya areho ma me back 90 years wa wu ni krum enkofo konto kwanti wo dwane akota baby wakowu ho and make me read no joy news yan who asa na esa mo kan 48,000 have been displaced from eho yan who asa na se yeka. The people have been displaced. Where are they? Where are they? Mam, ya mame ba kwase omujina ho ne mabe 3 na enkofo ati kunu ne mana ni mono msika tuli de kom entwani akunu. Ya na so mienwe ho. Na nye these peripheral issues. And yet this peripheral issue. Take a bia to be wa can say this please. Mommy enhwe ni yi. Aha ye wuntum radio 95.9